Never ever happened on my stream before. It's so hard to find a man that can replace him like that. I don't know where he at. He's fucking insane, man. It's like fucking nothing. 1 grand? Here you go. And he makes you guys happy too. We need Country Boy back. Especially me. I fucking need him. Where the fuck is Country Boy? How can I call him out so that he can come out? If Country Boy never ever appear anymore, man, I swear to God, I stop streaming. No point. I never feel so loved. I've been dripping blood. Why are you laughing for? Don't understand. I think it's morning now, right? In Amsterdam? It's morning. And it's Thursday. Give me 1 second. Ah, I miss that crazy days. You know, when country boys spend, like 0.5% of his fortune on me that day, he wants to spend more, but I stopped him because I feel bad at the same time, but also like I'm tired because like the challenge keep going on like non-stoply, do this, do that, which is like fun. But I don't know. I shouldn't stopping him or stopping us. Imagine that day I stream for fucking I don't know, man. Until he's the one who stopped. Probably I make 5 grand that night. Only from him, Jesus Christ. Not even my OnlyFans ever make me that much. And yeah, of course, Country Boy deserve whatever the fuck he wants from me. If he wants me to to pick up his call anytime he call, fuck yeah, I pick up your call. You know what I'm saying? Who wants to give me that much money and then like I get a simple task? You know what I mean? Fuck, that's a dream job. To be honest with you, although I do modeling, I'm watching your Instagram post. Good. I know, it's fine. It's fine. I'm not saying you guys have to, but like him, if he doesn't, if he don't mind spend 1 grand, more than 1 grand actually that night, that means fuck, motherfucker make fortune. Like I don't fucking know how much he make, but yeah, like imagine that. Not even on my OnlyFans he spent that on my stream. With tags on Discord. That kind of man I would love to keep around. Fuck yeah. Never feel so. I'm Italian boy.